This explanation is going to be on how we find the least common multiple in either monomials, polynomials, whichever thing you have to do. We'll begin by finding the least common multiple of a more simple problem. We need the least common multiple of 12a squared b, of 15 ABC, and 8b cubed c to the fourth. So the way we're going to do that is separate each one, and we're going to actually list all of the factors for each particular monomial here. So I'm going to begin by listing the factors for 12a squared b. 12 has 4 times 3, and we know that 4 can be written as 2 times 2. Then we have a 3. After that, we have 2 A's and 1 B. In 15, we have 3 times 5, and we have 1 A, 1 B, and 1 C. In 8, we're going to have 4 times 2. We know our 4 is 2 times 2, so we're going to multiply that by 2. We have B to the third and C to the fourth. The next thing I like to do is pick out the numbers that we're going to need factors of. So we have a 2 in everything. Excuse me, not in everything. We are using a 2. We also have a 3 that is used in both of these. And then we can't ignore our 5. So 2, 3, and 5 are the numbers that we're going to use. We also are going to need an A, a B, at least 1 B, and a C. So now we know what numbers and letters we're going to have to use. The next thing that we need to do is make sure that we use each one of these factors the greatest number of times that it appears in any one of our 3 monomials. For example, there's a 2 in here and there's a 2 here and a 2 here. But the greatest number of times that it occurs is 3 times. And so as we get ready to write our LCM, we're going to say we need a 2 occurring 3 times because there's 3 of them right here. Next we move to our 3. What is the most times that a 3 is used? Turns out it's only used once in any one problem. Now we go to our letters. The most times that we use an A is right up here, and it's twice. So we're going to have A squared. What is the most times that we use our B? We have a B, and a B cubed. So we're going to say we need B cubed. And you can probably tell already we're going to need C to the fourth. So in the final way we will write our least common multiple will be to say 2 to the third is 8 times 3 A squared B cubed C to the fourth. And since 8 times 3 is 24, we can say that the least common multiple of 12a squared b, 15abc, and 8b cubed c to the fourth is 24a squared b cubed c to the fourth.